got your average hybrid back with another video. And today we're gonna be doing another little, mod installation. You know me, I never get enough. My bad, let's rip something off. But yeah, guys, we're gonna be installing some headlight tint, and it's gonna be this. I don't know if you can really see it in the camera. It's gonna focus. Let me move to the light. Ain't doing you no justice. Yes, sir. We're gonna put this Bio-Hex headlight tint on them bad boys. Let's see how it turns out. Well, first things first, you take the soap and water, clean off your headlight. Cool. Alrighty, guys, here we go. It's gonna look like baby. Cut this layer. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just lay it out so I can heat it up. That was all rolled up. A little bit better. Whole process. Alright, guys, well, I but that's pretty much what it looks like. Man, I mean, top piece cool. That's when I got down to that curve. Oh my god. But feel me from a distance. Alright, YouTube, I got the other one done. I ain't gonna lie. If you're doing this yourself, I ain't even gonna lie. You see this one? Look clean, right? Decent. I did this in one piece. Alright, so if you're doing, you feel me, headlight or taillight with, you feel me, a mean curve, bro. You feel me? I did it, you feel me, the straight part. You feel me? All this, flawless, you feel me? Flat part, flawless. You get to that curve. So that's the only thing I messed up. Maybe I can keep practicing, maybe start at the curve first and then work my way outwards or whatever, but that's one thing I do suggest, you feel me? I did this one in 2 pieces. Looks a whole lot cleaner, don't it? Can't even tell really where it was even cut at, can you? Sheesh, guys, definitely looks icy. This is the 2020 Black Hex headlight film from Vvivid Tints. Ooh, guys, check them out. That's definitely icy. I don't know if the camera doing any justice, but I don't know why. You feel me? On camera, do it look? I don't know why that one looks darker than this one. You see that on camera, guys? But anyways, maybe it's just in the shade. Anyways, you guys, nice clean installation. Yes, sir. Till next time, guys.